Okay, having seen the need for us to know soilless farming, especially we that are farmers, need to understand what is soilless farming. And as the name implies, it simply means a way of growing plants without soil. That means you are doing all your growth process without any involvement of soil. Many of you will ask, how possible is that? It is very much possible. Sometimes when I ask people question, why do we use soil? Many will say because it provides nutrients for plants. I need you to know that soil does three things to plants. Number one, why we use soil for farming? We have three reasons. Number one is that it serves as an anchor. It serves as an anchor, and that is why we don't use sandy soil for farming, because sandy soil cannot hold plants. Okay, it also helps to retain water. That's one of the things that soil does. Soil retains water, and that is why we don't also use soilless. We don't also use sandy soil, because sandy soil cannot retain water. You understand? Then the third part is okay. So the third one is that it allows air to flow in, and that is one of the reasons why we don't use clay soil. Clay soil is compacted, it doesn't allow air to flow in, so that can cause root rot. So because of that, we don't use clay soil. The soil that we prefer to farm with is called loamy soil, because it has all these qualities. It helps as an anchor, it allows air to flow in, and it also retains water. So, and understanding this shows that we can actually make these provisions using things that are not soil. You understand? Using things that are not soil. So instead of soil, plants can as well grow in water. You understand? Or special materials. Special materials is what we call substrates in farming. We call them substrates, and we're going to explain some of these substrates. These are mediates that helps us to be able to achieve these same qualities of soil. You understand? It's called substrates. So we can actually do that. And I also want you to know that you may be learning this for the first time. You may be hearing this for the first time. I don't know your own case. I don't know when you started hearing about soilless farming, but I want to tell you something. It is not a new thing. It has been here for ages. For many centuries, people have been doing soilless farming. So what it simply means is this: whatever you are going to learn here is applicable and can produce results. So don't ever think that we are still trying to experiment. This is not experiment. People have been doing that, even though our people has not done much with it, but I know it has been in existence for a very long time. So Nigerians, we are not doing it. So don't think it's an experiment. So it is something that is workable, it's something that produces results, it's something that you could make something out of. So while we are learning, open your mind and know that this is applicable, not just learning for learning's sake. Okay, so you need to understand that. So that is it about soilless farming.